made in the Yeeps has the wiring update. Let's go. So whenever you enter, you would see this. There's this door, so you can press this button to open. Over there's a button to open this door. There is this hazmat guy. If you get rid of this blue pillow, the sticker button, click it, you hear that little sound. Come here, grab this, then you have a white key and you can enter every door you want. So, this one has a little lounge in there with, okay, that's a TV, lamp, and let's cut to the next room. We are now here, click the button, there's the key, we're here. Then we have this one. We can click this. It's a little lounge. And if you get rid of this, just this here, click this. Key pops over here. Put that in there. Okay. Well, let's go to,
Now?
Oh gosh. You're grabbing the button. Click the button. Put that through there. Let's get this. Come in here. And we have this. This is not done yet. Oh. Yes, it is. Okay. Love you, Mom! Okay. This is not done yet. That's a hole and it's going to move into the back rooms. Now we're in road to the last room. Okay, so you open this. Click the button. Got the key. We're coming to the last room. Last room, you'll see that on there. Open it up. See this. What you do? Click one, doesn't work. Click another one, doesn't work. Just click both of them. Press that, and you'll open up the door. That is everything that I built in my Yeeps hide and seek private world with the brand new wiring update. That's it. That's Content Creator Challenge 3. See you guys later. Woo.